This domain is Security Architecture and Design Objectives. This domain is founded on the premise that all of our valuable information assets are stored and processed on computers. So this poses the problem. How do we ensure that the computers that we specify and acquire that hold our valuable information assets can remain secure and protect the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of those valuable information assets? First, what we're going to do is walk through the computer architecture, and that includes the hardware itself, the components, the major components of a computer system, and then the operating system that sits on top of this. So this domain deals principally with how to design, specify, manufacture, deliver, install, and maintain a computer system, that's the hardware and the operating system, so that it protects the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of these valuable information assets. We'll look at some operating system protection mechanisms. Then we're going to look at how we might need to implement this security architecture within the organization, within the enterprise. From there, we're going to look at some access control models, and these are academic, abstract models which many security principles are founded on. These are, again, mathematic, they're abstract, and you won't exactly see these implemented in the real world in their formal and complete sense as we're going to be reviewing them. So don't be too concerned about the fact that these are abstract and you won't be able to just check a box in the operating system to enable one of these models. They are taken bits and pieces from each of these models to satisfy the security objective that is required for that particular system or operating system or application. Then we're going to look at how the government, principally the government, specifies to manufacturers what the security needs are for different classes of computers that are required for government use to hold these valuable information assets. And finally, we'll wrap up with looking at the certification and accreditation processes that the government uses when they go to specify and acquire computers to hold their information assets, again, at varying security levels.